to make that girl my wife. I said, my dearest Betsy, when will you name the time when you and I'll get married, love and hands together join, and you'll sit in her big cottage and you'll neither spend nor soul, for your own kind-hearted island lad is whistling at the cloud. I courted a young bonny lass of 12 months and a day, sometimes among the green grass, sometimes among the hay, and I courted her the little night and part of the next day, till she said, my dearest Sandy, it's time you were away. There's Castam and there's Cat Mills and Leonard Mills likewise. There are woods and waters many more, bring pleasure to my eyes. But the bonny woods ahead, and the eye grow green in May. It's there the bonny lassie lived that stole my heart away. I'll speak about your bonny lass, though she be far away. I'll speak about your bonny lass to those she never saw, and I'll tell them that I lured her wheel, although she proved untrue, and left me down by Hatton Woods, my follies there to rue. But blessings on yon bonny, wherever she may be, I wish no evil unto her, although she slighted me. Well, I only hope one day that she might say before she dies, I wished I'd wed yon Highland lad that sung so sweet to me. Ye comrades